Hello everyone, my name is Eric Lee, and I'm going to make goal and plans to change my life. So I have three goal and plans, specific plan. So the first of all is about my class. Um, I gonna make a A grade in my each class in this semester. So there is a specific about how I gonna do, and I gonna study each class one day 1 hour to one day half hour, and about I gonna ask any question I don't understand in the class to my professor, and so after each class I will go home and study hard and have any question I ask my friends. And then the second one is about my body. I gonna working hard on my body, then because I think a man have to get some muscle on his body, then they will look much better. So my plan is I gonna work out 1 hour every single day, then drink protein with my any exercise. So after I working hard, I think the body will look much better. Then your muscle like six pack, and you like this muscle will be very strong. And the last one is about my family business. Um, I gonna have my family business improve. So our business is export and import like heavy machines. So I gonna create a lot of specific plan, like um, a complete plan about the broad market and like Europe or England, America. So the plan, my specific plan should be like make a lot of complete plan about how to deal the business with the other people and how to get the best price from the other people. So there is my three goals and specific plan. So I think after I working hard, everything will look better. Alright, thanks.